How to change profile picture on Mondly. Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your profile picture on Mondly, and here is how to go about it. Alright, the first step is to install the Mondly application. Second step is to open up the Mondly application on your device. Now, I haven't done that. On the home page, you can see a list of things that you have to learn, your categories as well as your lessons at the lowest part of the screen. At the lowest part of the screen, you can see 5 icons representing categories, lessons, statistics, leaderboard, and shop. And then once you can see this, move to the top left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, the next thing to do is to click on my account. After clicking on my account, you'll be brought to my account page. On this page, you can see your name, email, and then you can see your profile picture. Once you can see this, just click on the camera icon, and then you can see two options. Take photo, choose photo. Just click on choose photo, and then click on allow, and then you'll be asked to select a photo from your stored pictures already on your account. So you can just check through this and then select the picture that you would like to use. All right, ensure the profile picture is very good for the purpose that you'd like to use it for. For me, I'll be making use of this just for an example, right? And then once you're done, click on save, and just like that, your profile picture would be changed, as you can see. So this is how it works. This is how you can change your profile picture on Mondly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.